welcome to my channel. I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. CVS was kind of cool. Funny thing is, like, I always have everything prepared for me, usually, most of the time, when I go to CVS. Well, I go to CVS and I'm like, crap, I totally forgot to bring my extra care bucks. Like, I had none, and I'm like, okay, let's see if hopefully, you know, I can get away with something. Well, then I looked in the app and it said it's printed, but you could still send it to your card, which I really like that, because in case you forget something, you can still get access to it and send to your card. So that helped me out tremendously. And another thing I noticed about the app is after I printed everything, it still shows up. Like, when I scan a certain product, I like to see what CRTs will work for that. And this is a huge plus for CVS, but I like it how the CRT that I already just printed, that's a CRT in my hand, that I can use this CRT for this product. That's what I really like. I think maybe they just started that, so check that out, especially with like the $3 whitening CRTs that are awesome. Definitely check that out, because then I don't have to worry about clipping it to my card. So yes, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. But I only made one mistake when I was at CVS today, which is totally fine. Things happen. Jennifer makes a mistake, so yeah. Okay, well, I'll just tell you guys my mistake that I did. Well, I ended up getting the Garnier Skin Active stuff. Well, I had a 5 off of 20 Garnier CRT, and I was going to use that with a $2 off coupon and a $2 off coupon. Now, my stores, they don't have all the sale tags up, so I could not remember it. I think I got it mixed up from what last week was, but these were technically buy one, get one 50% off, and I couldn't even use that CRT, and I felt like such an idiot, because I wish I would have, if I could have done that, I would have grabbed something different. But this still comes out to be a good deal. Even if you guys don't use that CRT, but I would have gotten a whole lot cheaper one. But you know what? Things happen. So this was $12.49, and this was $9.49. Like I said, I was going to get a cheaper one, but I wanted to hit the $20 mark, and I wasn't thinking straight. So this was 50%. But I used a $2 off coupon and a $2 off coupon. Now, I used the printable coupons that we got from last week on coupons.com. I also had a $2 off waterless Garnier, or waterless? No, micellar. Whatever. I had a special CRT that I used for this. The CRT that I had would also work for the wipes, and if I would have known I'm an idiot, I would have gotten the wipes instead of this, but that is okay. But you guys would end up paying $11.23 for these if you do this deal. But then you get $5 back in an extra care buck, making it $6.23 or $3.11. So if I would have been able to use that 5 off CRT, I would have been able, it would have been like $1.23. But Jennifer's an idiot, so that's how things happen. But I'm excited to use this, you know, why not? Why not? So got that, and I really liked using this facial stuff. It's been a long time since I've gotten that facial stuff. So, you know, I like to get it when I can get a chance, and this will last me a long time for that. But that's just like the mistake that I wasn't paying attention for, and that's one thing I hate when the tags are not up. So I ended up getting the Scope mouthwash. Funny thing is, my store was completely sold out of this mouthwash, and then they always have end caps of where they put their overstock. So I looked at their overstock, and they had these two little bad boys just sitting all by themselves. So these were $3.99. Now, I also scanned the app to see what CRTs that I already printed would work. Well, I had a $1 off of 5 CRT, plus there was a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys could use. So I used both of those. You would pay $3.98 for this, but then you guys would get a $3 extra care buck, making them just 98 cents. That's 49 cents for mouthwash for these giant bottles. I think that's a great deal. So if you guys need to stock up on mouthwash, that's a good deal. Yeah. So here's a good money maker that you guys can do with the Colgate toothpaste. Now the Colgate toothpaste was $4.99. You guys want to use that 5 off of 3 coupon that we got, or it was a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that showed up this morning in the app. I also had a 3 off of 12 Colgate CRT, plus I had 2 of the $3 off whitening CRTs. So I ended up using that because that's what, I just scanned it and that's what popped up. So you guys would pay $3.97 for these, but then you guys will get a $5 extra care buck, making it just a $1.03 moneymaker. So you guys will get those absolutely free. I forgot to also mention that you guys will get this. If you guys submit your receipt to the P&G, you guys will get points. For that, I forgot to mention that. So there was that. My cat is right by my side because she has to be everywhere I go. Now this is a cool deal. I've been seeing these CRTs like crazy. I forgot, the cover popped off. Or no, there's no cover for this. Okay, so I've been getting CRTs for this waterless product all the time. I've been getting $5 CRTs. I'm like, what the heck is it? I need to look for it. So these are what they are. They're waterless, okay? So I had a $5 off CRT that I got last week, and I had a $5 off CRT that I used this week. These are $7.99. I had they're on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. These also are spend 40, get 10, which I did not do that deal. I'm like, I'm just going to do this deal for now. But again, buy one, get one 50% off. So $7.99, and then I used both of those $5 CRTs. So you guys would get these for just $1.98, 99 cents a piece. So I got dry shampoo foam great for thick and curly hair, and then I also got dry conditioner weightless smooth for fine hair. So whatever, I'll try it. So pretty excited to see it. I'm not a dry shampoo kind of person. I don't know, I like taking a shower because it just wakes me up in the morning. I just feel refreshed when I take a shower. So yeah. Okay, the next deal we did was the Axe deodorant. Now, I was going to do the 4 off of 2 coupon that we had because it does have Axe deodorant. Well, these ones did not work for that 4 off of 2. It worked for the 3 off of 2 Axe. So, just giving you guys a heads up. But this was $6.29. They are currently buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts last week. You would pay $6.43 for this. Sorry, my family decides to vacuum while I'm doing a video. But then you guys will get a $2 extra care buck, making these just $4.43. So $2.21 a piece. It's an okay deal. But you can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you guys will get points for that. They shut the door. So if you guys need to get some Axe, I know my brother's obsessed with Axe. So anytime he can get a chance to get that stuff. So last time they did the Paparazzi deal, I noticed that the Paparazzi was not ringing up 2 for $5. They took all the signs. They haven't had prices on there for a long time. I tried a price scan, and I can't get the stupid thing to scan at the price checker. But today I noticed that they actually put new signs up that says 2 for $5. So the Paparazzi is 2 for $5, okay? You guys would pay $5 for this. But then you guys will get a $4 extra care buck back, making these just $1, so 50 cents a piece. The colors that I got were Starshine and Hit the Gold Mine. So if you guys want to do that, make sure you check your receipts, because last time we did this deal, they did not ring up. I swear, when I'm vacuuming, or when I'm doing videos, my family has to like slide across the floor. I ended up getting the Dove body wash men's style. This was $7.99. I used a $2 off coupon that we got from our inserts today. I also used a 2 off of 8 Dove body wash CRT. So you guys would pay this, you would pay $3.99 for this, but then you guys can, or why do I keep saying you can submit? You'll get a $2 extra care buck, and you guys can submit your receipt to fetch rewards. This comes out to be just $1.99. Talking too much, I can't breathe. Ended up getting the Revlon Kiss Balm. These were $5.49. I used that $4 extra $4 CRT that printed from the red machine last week to use this. So you would just get this for $1.49. I feel like we've been getting a lot of these lately, and I'm not complaining. So, I'm sharing with you guys the Hallmark deal. Sorry, I've been keeping my bags so you reuse them all. So I did the Hallmark deal. I actually got a 4 off of 4 CRT. So what I ended up doing is I scanned these items with the app, and these all popped up that would work for the 4 off of 4. So if you guys are, you know, trying to figure out what would work with those CRTs, definitely scan stuff like this. So the bags were 49 cents a piece. The tissue paper was $1.99, and then I ended up getting some ribbon, and this was $1.29. So I got all 4 of these. These came up to be $4.26. I used that $4 off CRT, so I got these for just 26 cents. I will take that. Take it. It's like 7 cents, 6 to 7 cents a piece. So got those, so I can put those in my spot. So that was my haul. I was going to get the Dove shampoo and conditioner, and I'm like, nah, I don't really need it. And then I was going to do the CoverGirl deal, but I just felt like I didn't cut the coupons out, and I'm just like, oh, I'm not feeling it. But my total came to 33 cents. Everything was 33 cents. I ended up using $35 worth of extra care bucks to pay for my purchase. But I did receive $21 back, and I think I'll be receiving $3 back for beauty. Last week's haul, I actually did get $9 worth of beauty dollars, but this time I think I'll be getting $3. But I don't factor that in. So my grand total came to $14.33. I got 19 items. That's just 75 cents a piece. So I think it was a pretty good deal, considering like this is like $8 right here. Just this thing alone is $12.49. Okay, so I think I did pretty good. So I'm pretty excited to try something I haven't tried before. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys all next week. See you later. Bye-bye.